Women Who Code empowers tech careers. I'm Briana Augenreich. I'm a senior software engineer at HubSpot and a legacy leadership fellow at Women Who Code. Women Who Code has empowered my technical career, and I think empowers the community of technical careers by offering a ton of opportunities for speaking practice, speaking engagements, networking, mentorship, as well as opportunities to really dive in and enhance our skills, get hands-on technical training that is relevant to the industry today. And I think even more importantly, Women Who Code provides this safe space of community support that encourages its members to continue to participate in their technical journeys and whatever avenues and twists and turns that may take. Having this community of support and mentorship and guidance and encouragement really, really empowers technical careers, especially in our community.